Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to change color of clothes in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea, and then we can go to File folder. I drag and drop an image into Photopea to open the image. Next, we can go to Layers window. If you don't find the Layers window, we can go to Window and Show Layers here. I go back to Layers window and then go to bottom. We can find Adjustment Layers button here. Click it. We can have many options to change the color. The easiest way, we can use Hue and Saturation. Click it to add the Hue and Saturation adjustment layer. And then go to Properties window. We can change the color by using the hue. Actually, we can change the color of whole image, or we can go back to 0 first. We can select the blue color to change the blue color only. I go to here and then we can use saturation to make it dull or sharp, and we can change the lightness to make it bright or dark. I go to bright. Actually, we can change the range by using this bar. We can click and drag to change the color range. So this is how we can change the color of clothes in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CGN. See you in the next video.